Hello guys. Welcome back to CAD Make. In this video we are going to design a round head rivet in Solidworks. We'll use the essential commands and features to give our sketch a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Go to the background scene and select plain white. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality, increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Take the rectangle command and draw a rectangle here in the origin 50 by 15 mm like this. Click OK. A little zoom it. Now take the line command and draw a line from here to this corner. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the angle to this line as 30 degrees. Click OK. Again take the Line command and draw an inclined line. Now draw a horizontal line like this. Click Exit. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the angle to this line 30 degrees. Click OK. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle of 50 mm diameter from here. Click OK. Take the Extend Entities command and extend these two lines like this. Press Escape to finish the command. Rearrange this dimension like this. Take the Smart Dimension command and give the length to this line as for millimeters. Click OK. Now take the Trim Entities command and erase all these extra lines like this. Again take the Smart Dimension command and give the distance between these lines as 54 mm. Click OK. Give the distance from this line to this point as 21 mm, click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the Features and click on Revolved Boss command. Click here and select the sketch. Click here and choose this line as an axis of revolution. Uncheck to remove the thin feature. Click OK. Here we have created a round head rivet in Solidworks. Here it looks perfect and amazing. Now let's customize its appearance by changing material type. Go to the Appearance. Click on Metal. Scroll down and click on Magnesium. Click Burnished Magnesium. It looks perfect. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.